Welcome to the ICT Quiz Challenge. Test your knowledge with 30 important ICT multiple choice questions. Let's begin with question number 1. What does ICT stand for? Option A, Information and Communication Technology. Option B, Internet and Computer Technology. Option C, Information and Computer Tools. Option D, Internal Communication Technology. The right answer is option A, Information and Communication Technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It includes computers, networks, software and communication systems used to process and share information. Question number 2. Which of the following is an input device? Option A, monitor. Option B, printer. Option C, keyboard. Option D, speaker. The right answer is option C, keyboard. A keyboard is an input device because it is used to enter data and commands into a computer. Question number 3. Which part of the computer is considered the brain of the computer? Option A, monitor. Option B, CPU. Option C, keyboard. Option D, mouse. The right answer is option B, CPU. The CPU processes instructions and controls all the operations of a computer. Question number 4. Which device is used to print documents on paper? Option A, scanner. Option B, printer. Option C, monitor. Option D, speaker. The right answer is option B, printer. A printer produces a hard copy of digital documents on paper. Question number 5. What does RAM stand for? Option A, Random Access Memory. Option B, Read Access Memory. Option C, Rapid Access Memory. Option D, Random Active Memory. The right answer is option A, Random Access Memory. RAM is temporary memory used by the computer to store data while programs are running. Question number 6. Which of the following is an output device? Option A, mouse. Option B, keyboard. Option C, monitor. Option D, scanner. The right answer is option C, monitor. A monitor displays information from the computer to the user. Question number 7. Which software is used to browse the internet? Option A, web browser. Option B, calculator. Option C, paint. Option D, notepad. The right answer is option A, web browser. A web browser allows users to access and view websites on the internet. Question number 8. What does www stand for? Option A, World Wide Web. Option B, World Web Window. Option C, Wide World Web. Option D, Web Worldwide. The right answer is option A, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a system of websites and web pages accessed through the internet. Question number 9. Which device is used to move the cursor on a computer screen? Option A, printer. Option B, mouse. Option C, scanner. Option D, speaker. The right answer is option B, mouse. A mouse helps users interact with graphical elements on a computer screen. Question number 10. Which of the following is a storage device? Option A, hard disk. Option B, monitor. Option C, keyboard. Option D, speaker. The right answer is option A, hard disk. A hard disk stores data, files and programs permanently. Question number 11. What does CPU stand for? Option A, Central Process Unit. Option B, Central Processing Unit. Option C, Computer Processing Unit. Option D, Control Processing Unit. The right answer is option B, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is responsible for processing instructions and performing calculations in a computer. Question number 12. Which device is used to scan documents? Option A, printer. Option B, scanner. Option C, monitor. Option D, keyboard. The right answer is option B, scanner. A scanner is used to convert paper documents into digital form. Question number 13. Which of the following is system software? Option A, Windows. Option B, MS Word. Option C, Paint. Option D, calculator. The right answer is option A, Windows. System software helps run and manage the computer system. Question number 14. Which device is used to store data permanently? Option A, RAM. Option B, ROM. Option C, hard disk. Option D, CPU. The right answer is option C, hard disk. A hard disk stores data permanently even when the computer is turned off. Question number 15. Which of the following is an example of input device? Option A, monitor. Option B, speaker. Option C, mouse. Option D, printer. The right answer is option C, mouse. A mouse is used to give input and control the cursor. Question number 16. What is the full form of URL? Option A, Uniform Resource Locator. Option B, Universal Resource Link. Option C, Uniform Read Locator. Option D, United Resource Locator. The right answer is option A, Uniform Resource Locator. URL is the address of a website on the internet. Question number 17. Which of the following is a programming language? Option A, HTML. Option B, MS Word. Option C, Google Chrome. Option D, Windows. The right answer is option A, HTML. HTML is used to create web pages. Question number 18. Which device produces sound output? Option A, keyboard. Option B, monitor. Option C, speaker. Option D, mouse. The right answer is option C, speaker. A speaker produces sound from the computer. Question number 19. Which of the following is used to connect to the internet? Option A, modem. Option B, scanner. Option C, printer. Option D, keyboard. The right answer is option A, modem. A modem helps connect a computer to the internet. Question number 20. Which of the following is a web browser? Option A, Chrome. Option B, Excel. Option C, Word. Option D, Paint. The right answer is option A, Chrome. Chrome is a web browser used to access websites. Question number 21. What is the brain of computer called? Option A, RAM. Option B, CPU. Option C, hard disk. Option D, monitor. The right answer is option B, CPU. CPU controls all operations of the computer. Question number 22. Which of the following stores temporary data? Option A, ROM. Option B, hard disk. Option C, RAM. Option D, CD. The right answer is option C, RAM. RAM stores temporary data while the computer is running. Question number 23. Which key is used to delete text? Option A, enter. Option B, shift. Option C, delete. Option D, space. The right answer is option C, delete. The delete key removes characters from text. Question number 24. Which of the following is an example of application software? Option A, Windows. Option B, Linux. Option C, MS Word. Option D, BIOS. The right answer is MS Word. MS Word is used for document creation and editing. Question number 25. Which device is used to enter text? Option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. Option C, speaker. Option D, printer. The right answer is option B, keyboard. A keyboard is used to type text into the computer. Question number 26. What does ICT include? Option A, only computers. Option B, only internet. Option C, computers and communication technology. Option D, only software. The right answer is option C, computers and communication technology. ICT includes technologies used to process and communicate information. Question number 27. Which of the following is used for drawing? Option A, MS Word. Option B, Paint. Option C, Excel. Option D, Chrome. The right answer is option B, Paint. Paint is used to create simple drawings and images. Question number 28. Which storage device is portable? Option A, hard disk. Option B, RAM. Option C, USB pen drive. Option D, CPU. The right answer is option C, USB pen drive. A USB pen drive is used to carry data easily. Question number 29. Which of the following is a search engine? Option A, Google. Option B, MS Word. Option C, Paint. Option D, Excel. The right answer is option A, Google. Google is used to search for information on the internet. Question number 30. Which device is used to display output? Option A, keyboard. Option B, mouse. Option C, monitor. Option D, scanner. The right answer is option C, monitor. A monitor displays visual output from the computer. Well done. You have completed the ICT quiz challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.